She's a toast of Kalamazoo, zoo, 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 zoo. Years have gone by. My, how she grew. I liked her looks when I carried her books in Kalamazoo, zoo, 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 zoo. I'm gonna send a wire, hopping on a flight, leaving today. And my dreaming, I can hear her screaming. Everything's okay, L-A-M-A-C-O. Oh, what a gal, a real flipperoo. I'll make my bid for that freckle-faced kid I'm hurrying to. I'm going to Michigan to see the sweetest gal in Kalamazoo. Make my bid for that freckle-faced kid I'm hurrying to. We're going to Michigan to see the sweetest gal in Kalamazoo. Zoo, 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 zoo. D-E-F-G-H, I got a gal where in Kalamazoo. Kalamazoo, I don't want to boast, but I know she's a toast of Kalamazoo. Zoo, 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 zoo. Years have gone by, my, how she grew. Man, did she grew. I liked her looks when I carried her books in Kalamazoo. Zoo, 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 zoo. I'm gonna send a wire, hopping on a flyer, leaving today. Am I dreaming? I can hear screaming. Hiya, Mr. Jackson. Everything's okay. A-L-A-M-A-C-O. Oh, what a gal, a real pipperoo. She's a fine fine chick. I'm gonna make my bid for the freckle-faced kid I'm hurrying to. Going to Michigan to see the sweetest gal in Kalamazoo.